In a vibrant school filled with anticipation, a teacher prepared his classroom for the upcoming Thanksgiving celebrations. Bright blue LED lights shimmered across the ceiling, illuminating the faces of his eager students, each representing different Native American tribes. Sprinkled with excitement, the atmosphere buzzed with chatter as the teacher guided the pilgrims through lessons on their shared history, revealing the rich traditions that would unite them. Every day during break, he walked the halls, listening to the joyful laughter of children. With Thanksgiving approaching, he encouraged his students to embrace the spirit of gratitude and togetherness, reminding them of the importance of learning from one another. This particular school was a melting pot of cultures, where the stories of the Navajo, Arapaho, and Cherokee intertwined, creating a tapestry of heritage that filled the classrooms. At home in his cyan teepee, the teacher found solace as the night enveloped him. The gentle sound of Native American flutes drifted through the air, wrapping him in a melodic embrace. It was almost as if the music was an extension of the land itself, blending seamlessly with the rhythm of nature. Each note chimed with memories of festivities and gatherings long past, echoing the spirit of unity that transcended time. Morning arrived with the robust beats of Native American drums, an enchanting alarm clock urging him to rise. After preparing for the day ahead, he returned to school, greeted once more by the sparkling LED lights. In his classroom, he led the students in a hands-on project, crafting their own teepees. The enthusiasm was contagious as kids from diverse backgrounds collaborated, cutting and shaping materials, their laughter harmonizing as they built connections. As the Thanksgiving feast drew near, the teacher realized his unique opportunity to blend traditions. He remembered the sticks he had found, believing they could be flutes, but discovering they were part of something more, a bag that held instruments waiting to be revealed. Playing them unveiled a vision of himself adorned in a kilt, a link to his Scottish heritage. When the feast finally commenced, it blossomed into a celebration of unity, where the pilgrims shared their stories, reinforcing bonds with the Native Americans. Together, they delighted in the rich cultures of both worlds, realizing that their collective joy marked the true spirit of Thanksgiving. This harmonious gathering left a lasting imprint on every heart, ensuring that traditions would carry on, transcending generations.